So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. If you drive for Uber and for Lyft, if you need to get unemployment benefits, oh God, it's a paywall article. Hold up, guys. I gotta find a new one. So if you need to get unemployment benefits and you're an Uber and a Lyft driver, you can.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Here's how to apply. Basically, there was a ruling that showed that you are able to apply for unemployment benefits if you're an Uber or Lyft driver.
Cool.
If you're self-employed or contract workers filing for unemployment, you may be eligible for back pay as well. But basically, if you go to, let's go to the California unemployment benefits site. What is it called? EDD. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you just got to fill this out basically. Go to edd.ca.gov, and every state has their own. So if you live in Massachusetts, go to Massachusetts, unemployment benefits, type that in, and you fill this out. And if you got basically deactivated by Uber or Lyft, and this was your main source of income, you could potentially get unemployment benefits. Ever since COVID and everything, and Joe Biden and all this stuff, they make it pretty easy now to get unemployment benefits. So if you're making like 50 G's a year and you got deactivated, I honestly might sign up for this. What do you think?
Yeah, I would do that. I want to get EDD benefits.
So yeah, I think so basically what is unemployment benefits? You get money federally from the government because that's where tax dollars go to. Every year you pay tax. It gets pooled together basically, and that money goes to people on unemployment benefits. And then the states have different allocations as well. Different states pay more than other states. So depending on how, like the cost of living, etc. But the federal will be the same. So it's pretty easy to fill out. You just click register now. And you got to create an account. You got to do all of the correct information. If you do anything wrong, they will go after you.
Yeah.
But yeah, just type in your email, type in your password, security setup, answer 4 questions. Wow. Who's your favorite author? Maybe you write, what's an author?
Stephen King.
Stephen King? J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling or Stephen King, whoever your favorite. I don't even have a favorite author because I don't really read that much.
Same.
No, there's one book that I like. What's his name? Tim Ferriss. I like Tim Ferriss. He's probably my favorite. Oh, what's your favorite pet's name? How can you pick a favorite pet? What if you have like 4 pets? That's kind of like discrimination. Dang, they're getting spicy in the unemployment benefits. Who's the name of your first boy you kissed? Damn.
Oh.
That's some sense. I'm not sharing that information with the California government.
The first boy you kissed?
I haven't kissed a boy yet. I don't think. Yeah.
I don't even know who my first kiss was, actually. I don't remember.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.